Hi, little friends. How are you? Today we're going to play a fun game. We're going to learn about colors and throw the balls to Maya.
Bolinha!
That's right, Maya. We'll throw the colorful balls to you. Look, friends. This is red. Can you say red? Congratulations, great job. Now, the ball is blue. Can you repeat with me? Blue, azul. Congratulations, Maya. Great job.
Does anyone know what color this is? This color is yellow, the same color as the sun. Amarelo. Yes!
This color is green, the same color as the grass in this beautiful garden. Maya Maria, what color is this ball?
Verde.
Yes!
Verde.
Yay!
Colors, colors everywhere. Cores, cores por todo lugar. Red, blue, yellow, green. Vermelho, azul, amarelo, verde.
Colors, colors everywhere. Look around and share. Red, blue, yellow, green. The happiest colors you've ever seen. Miss Dai says, look at the sky. Blue, blue, way up high. Maya says, Azul. Miss Dai says, look at the sun. Yellow, yellow, lots of fun. Maya says, Amarelo. Colors, colors everywhere.
See you soon!
Clap your
Ciao!
hands and share.
Ask your parents to
Red,
subscribe.
blue, yellow, green. Come and sing along
Good girl.
with me.
You're
Miss Dai
such a
says,
good girl
look
with the children.
at the road.